homemade clotted cream from a recipe I saw on YouTube. About that much. The butter and the double cream go in the pan. Give it a whisk. Yes. I'm simmering and whisking for 15 minutes. I said try adding some brandy or rum, and I'm going to put a little bit of rum in mine. Well, that's 15 minutes up. Let's do a little test to see if it sets. Spoonful in the freezer. Test is successful. It has set. And so it now gets put into a smaller container to cool. An hour or two later, let's try this homemade clotted cream on a scone. I'm going to put some on the top. Some jam on the bottom. A bit thin, perhaps it needs cooling some more. Let's see what it's like. Oops, too thin. Tastes good, but not thick enough. Additional. I used it too quickly yesterday, it hadn't set properly. After a few hours it set fully and now it's perfect. Recipe 100% success. I would demonstrate what it tastes like, but I'm just too full and I can't eat another cream scone for hours.
Service to Edinburgh. Called it Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. This train has 9 coaches. This train has on-board catering available. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 2. Standard class in zones 10 to 5.